Equatorial Biome, small name, also called as Rainforest Biome. Rainforest Biome, Hot Wet Biome. In many books, different names they have given. Okay, Hot Wet Biome. So temperatures, notice this temperature, 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall very high, more than 200 centimeter rainfall per annum. Throughout the year, temperatures are like this. There is no winter here. Equator doesn't experience winter. You got it? Throughout the year, day and night, it is warm, humid. It is not very hot if you notice, but what is the turn off is humidity. Humidity is too high because air is humid. Imagine you are in a humid area, you are always sweating. Correct, that kind of weather. You can't live in that kind of situation. Humidity is very high rainfall, 200 centimeter, more than 200 centimeter. Okay, rainfall, this is found 5 degree north to 5 degree south of equator. In South America, the forest extends from 10 degree north to 10 degrees south. Here, see, 10 degree north to 10 degrees south. We have more forest in Amazon region. In South America, Central America. South America, Central America, we have more extension of this forest. In other places, 5 degree. South America, we have more, from 10 to 10. Amazon. Amazon forest. What type of rain? Convectional rain. All geography coming back now. This is all abiotic components I am writing. Correct. Abiotic means sunlight, temperature. Correct. Insolation is throughout the year. Every day throughout the year they get sunlight. There is no dearth of sunlight here because vertical rays alla. Equator will be receiving vertical rays. So insolation throughout the year. Sunlight throughout the year. Insolation. Because equator we are talking about. So equator doesn't face any kind of dearth of sunlight. Every day we get sufficient sunlight. Temperature, rainfall, convectional rainfall, location. Apart from North America, South America, Central America, Africa, Congo Basin, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea rainforest. Already I told you these are lungs of the earth. Carbon sink. So remember this situation, okay? So we have one of the largest rainforest on earth here. So they'll ask, discuss equatorial biome with a suitable example. So what you have to write? You have to mention equatorial biome is also called as rainforest biome, hot wet biome, also called as evergreen biome, because plants appear green throughout the year. Okay, evergreen biome. They are found in 5 degree north to south. Location, some places 10 degree north to south. Temperature 25 to 30. Rainfall 200 centimeter. Okay, rainfall type convectional. sunlight throughout the year.